I'm here now for a year now. It's amazing that I actually started in August last year. Started this journey then. So we are Volvo Durban plant. We assemble trucks for VT, for the Southern African market. We are a plant that builds around 12 units a day, which equals to 220 trucks a month. And our volume is 2,400 a year. And this is one of our biggest volume in the last 2 years. So SUDCP is safety, quality, delivery, cost, environment, and people. And people not being the last on the list, but we had to put people somewhere. But as a plant and as Volvo, we put people first, and then safety and everything else. But if you think about it, we start ensuring that the people are safe. They come in safe into this plant and they leave home and they get home to their families safe. But while they're here, we make sure that while we are running the operations, the quality is not compromised at any given point. Every station, every operator in station today knows that they need to verify, and their body will verify and ensure that everything that is supposed to be securing is secured, everything that's supposed to do, they've done, and they followed the process. We know for delivering the best quality in the world. Yeah. Today you can ask any Volvo plant, they will tell you they know about us because we have been the best in class in terms of quality. And in the last 10 months, I have to say, if we talk about D with its delivery in the SUDCP, we have not missed a bit in the online, offline. We have been on time for the last 10 months in a row. And I wish them happy anniversary.
Our product, Volvo product, we do take pride in terms of sustainability and actually protecting our environment. We go as far as adhering to the European standards, emission standards, because we started with Euro 3 and now we're actually producing Euro 6 to actually protect the pollution and make sure that we don't damage our environment and protect all our surroundings and our nature. So it is part of our product design, yes.
One passion that I have is really about problem solving, as I see it as something that we all need to develop as a career skill. What we define as a quick response problem solving. So in global terms, it used to be something that is called QRQC, quick response quality control, but it almost sounded like it's a topic that is only for product quality. But it's not necessarily about product quality, it's about solving business problems. This is a tool that we use depending on the type of issues that we have. For instance, when we've got safety issues, we've got a criteria that you must address, root cause analysis. Quality, similarly, we've got the criteria for that, and as well as delivery. So all the issues that are impacting business severely, we take them through the process called the QRPS, where we need to address the root causes for the type of issues that we're experiencing. Happy 20th birthday, Volvo Trucks. we are all excited to be part of this journey.
I joined Volvo in 2007. I think a few months after the inauguration of the plant. So what happens is that we're working with the Green OK plan. Each and every month there will be a Green OK plan that we have, that we are promising to sales that these are the units that we're gonna be releasing on that month. For each and every unit there are dates allocated to units in terms of when are we onlining them, when are we offlining them on the line, and when are they gonna be Green OK. So for us is to then make sure that we're delivering according to those expected delivery dates so that we can always keep our customers happy.
I've been with the organization for 9 years now. First, communication. I think it is important. Through communication, then you are able to learn how other people are working in a business. And then that's where you will earn the respect, and then people will be able to share ideas with you.
Happy
20th
anniversary.
Volvo Trucks.
Volvo.